there. No, it's pretty dirty for rolling, Ellis. Pretty dirty. Gray, that would be a great stage for dancing on. Look at that. How cool is that, huh? Oh, look at that cute little statue of that girl sitting over there. Yeah. That's pretty dirty to be rolling down. Did you see it? Because this is the first time I saw it. Yeah? Can you tell what she's doing? Is she reading a book or something?
Yeah, it doesn't say a title.
It doesn't? There you go. You did it. Now you're down to the dirt. Watch out for the trees, buddy. Don't roll into a tree. Whoa, that's a fast one.